So, you've probably talked to a chatbot before, maybe without even realizing it. Think about when you visited a website and a little window pops up asking if you need help. That's a chatbot. In simple terms, it's a computer program that simulates a conversation over the internet. They can answer questions. They can provide information. They can help you buy something. The goal is efficiency, freeing humans from repetitive tasks. It's like a digital assistant working 24/7 without coffee breaks. Sounds complicated to build? It used to be. But that's where n8n comes in. n8n is a workflow automation tool. Imagine digital Lego blocks. Each block is an app or service. Gmail, Google Sheets, WhatsApp. Connect the blocks to make an automated workflow. It's visual. Drag and drop nodes on a canvas. n8n puts powerful automation into almost anyone's hands. You don't need a deep technical background. It's a low-code platform. It handles the heavy lifting. You just set the logic. If this happens, then do that. It's a game changer. Alright, so why focus on WhatsApp? There are a million messaging apps out there. The answer is simple: scale. WhatsApp has over 2 billion users worldwide. It's the primary way many people communicate with friends, family, businesses. It's on everyone's phone. People check it constantly. Want to reach people where they are? WhatsApp is the place to be. It feels personal and direct, unlike email or a website form. Think about the possibilities. Small business owners. A bot answering FAQs about store hours, location, return policy. Instantly, any time of day. That frees you to handle the complex stuff. Creators. A bot that sends a link to your latest video or runs a poll in chat. It's a direct line to your community. Individuals. Useful too. Build a personal productivity bot. Remind me to buy milk at 5 p.m. Adds it to your calendar. Or get a daily weather forecast. Before we dive into the build, let's get our toolkit ready. It's pretty straightforward and there are no crazy hardware requirements. Think of this as our pre-flight checklist. First and foremost, you'll need an n8n account. We're going to use n8n Cloud for this tutorial because it's the quickest way to get up and running without worrying about servers or installation. They have a free plan that's more than enough to build and test this initial chatbot. You just need an email to sign up, simple as that. Next up, the big one. You need a Facebook developer account. This might sound intimidating, but stick with me. WhatsApp is owned by Meta, formerly Facebook. So to get official access to the WhatsApp business platform, you have to go through their developer portal. This is what allows us to create an app that will power our chatbot. You'll also need a Meta business account. If you've ever run ads on Facebook or Instagram, you probably already have one. If not, don't worry, we'll walk through creating one. It's basically a central hub for managing your business assets on Meta's platforms. You will also need a phone number that you can dedicate to your chatbot. And here's a key point. This phone number cannot be linked to an existing personal WhatsApp account. It has to be a fresh number, or one you're willing to disconnect from your personal WhatsApp. This could be a new SIM card, a virtual number from a service like Twilio, or an old number you don't use anymore. During the setup process, Meta will need to verify that you own this number by sending you a code via SMS or a phone call. So make sure it's a number you can actually access. Finally, you'll need 2 phones for testing, or at least 1 phone for testing and a computer with WhatsApp web. One phone will have the chatbot's number, though you won't use the WhatsApp app on it, and the other will be your personal phone that you'll use to send messages to the chatbot and see its replies. Okay, let's get our hands dirty. Sign up for n8n. Open your browser and go to n8n.io. You'll see options for self-hosting or n8n Cloud. We'll use n8n Cloud. Find and click the sign up button. The process is standard. Use email or sign up with Google or GitHub. Confirm your email and you'll land in your new n8n account. You'll be greeted by an empty canvas. This canvas is your workspace. It may look blank at first, but it's intuitive. This is where you'll build workflows. Think of it as a digital whiteboard connecting services. In the center is a big plus button. That's the start for every workflow. Click it to open the Nodes panel. Nodes are the building blocks. Each node is an action or trigger from an app. There are nodes for social media databases and WhatsApp. Before the WhatsApp setup, get familiar with the interface. On the left, Workflows Credential Settings. Okay, so this next part is honestly the most step-heavy, so, just take it slow and follow along carefully. We need to connect n8n to the WhatsApp business platform. Head to developers.facebook.com and log in. Click My Apps, click Create App, choose App Type, Other. Next screen, select Business. This creates a container for our chatbot settings. Name your app, for example, my n8n chatbot. Make sure your Meta business account is selected. If you don't have one, create it when prompted. Once created, open the dashboard and add products. Scroll down until you see WhatsApp. Click Setup. You'll land on the WhatsApp Business Platform API setup screen. Meta gives a temporary test number for development. Use it to build and test your bot without your personal number. You'll see a section to add a recipient phone number for testing. Go ahead and add your personal phone number there. They'll send you a confirmation code on WhatsApp to verify. On the Facebook developer page, copy this. Temporary access token. Copy the phone number ID. Copy the WhatsApp business account ID. Keep this browser tab open. Switch to your n8n canvas. Click the plus button to add a node. Search for WhatsApp Business. Select the WhatsApp trigger node. This node will be the entry point for incoming messages. In the WhatsApp trigger settings, go to Credentials. Click Create New. A window will pop up asking for an access token. Copy the temporary access token from Facebook. Paste it into the access token field in n8n. Give your credentials a name like My WhatsApp Credentials and save. Back in Facebook Developers, open the Webhook configuration section. In n8n, copy the webhook URL from the WhatsApp trigger node. Paste it into the callback URL field in Facebook. With the connection set up, the fun part begins. Actually building the chatbot's logic. Let's start with a super simple Hello World bot. Its only job, reply with a fixed message whenever someone texts it. Back in your n8n canvas, find your WhatsApp trigger node. It's waiting for Meta to send it a message. Now add an action node. Click the plus icon to the right of the trigger. Search WhatsApp Business. Choose WhatsApp Business. Send message. The action node. You now have two nodes on the canvas. Trigger action. It's a simple, linear flow. The trigger node receives incoming message data. The action node uses that data to send a reply. Click the Send Message node to configure it. First, make sure your credentials are selected. You'll see fields labeled From and To. From, this is the chatbot's phone ID. Get the phone number ID from Facebook Developer, the long numeric ID. Paste that into From. To, who to send to, the person who messaged us. Click the To field and open expressions. Pull the sender's number from the trigger node's input data. Use expression. Shot for json.body.messages. Ju, from, ya. Alright, the moment of truth. Theory is one thing, but seeing it work is another. Before you can receive messages from the real world, you need to activate your workflow in n8n. Look for a toggle switch at the top left of your canvas that says Inactive. Click it to switch it to Active. This tells n8n to start listening for incoming data on that webhook URL. Once it's active, your chatbot is officially live and ready to respond. It's a really satisfying feeling, hitting that switch for the first time. Now grab your personal phone, the testing number you registered. Open WhatsApp and find the chat with the test number Meta provided. Or start a new chat with that test number. Type any message you want. Hello, hi, test, anything at all. Hit send. Now wait a second, you should almost instantly receive, hello, you've reached my n8n chatbot. This is an automated message. If it worked, congratulations. You just built and deployed a functional WhatsApp chatbot. Now, let's look behind the scenes. Click the Executions tab on the left. See the new entry marked Success. Click it to view the exact path your test run took. Click each node to inspect the data. Incoming message data, trigger, data you sent, action node, powerful for debugging. As you start building more, you'll run into a few common hurdles. So here are some tips to make your life easier. First, the temporary access token from Meta expires every 24 hours. This is great for testing, but you'll notice your bot suddenly stops working. Don't be alarmed. Go to the Facebook developer dashboard, copy the new temporary token, update your credentials in n8n. For a permanent bot, generate a system user access token in Meta Business Manager. A common mistake is forgetting the data structure. The expression might look complex, but it's just a path. Use the Execute Workflow button in n8n. Put the workflow in test mode. Send a message from your phone. Watch the real data appear in the trigger node. Explore the data visually, click an item to copy its path. Watch out for rate limiting. You can't send thousands of messages a second. Test numbers have low limits. Permanent numbers increase tiers with usage, but monitor how many messages you're sending. Remember the 24-hour rule. You can only message freely within 24 hours of the user's last message. After that, use a pre-approved message template.